Did you ever wonder why a cat still alive or seems alright after falling or jumping from a high place? Like from a rooftop or a high tree. Even the cat can run immediately after jumping from those heights. Also, according to some literature, it says that a cat will stay alive after falling from the 5th floor of a building. How can it be happen? If we compare it to humans, of course we will get hurt and it cannot be guaranteed to stay alive after jumping from the height. So, what do you think about it? Do you know the reason behind it? Okay, this question can be answered by reviewing from the terms of physics and biology, especially in the motion and change topic.